and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the PYQs of 2016 of the chapter Cell Division. So the first question is, name the following. The first part of it is the exchange of chromatin parts between the maternal. So first let us draw the maternal chromosome and the paternal. So this is the paternal chromatid. So exchange of, again we are reading, exchange of chromatid parts between the maternal and the paternal chromatids of a pair of homologous chromosomes during meiosis. Now, this point is known as chiasmata, where exchange of chromatid is taking place. And this process is known as crossing over. So, your answer is crossing over, and it happens during the Pachydine stage of prophase 1. So, let us see the answer for it. It is crossing over. Now the next question is, the given diagram shows a stage during mitotic division in animal cell. So which cell it is? Animal cell. Now let us see first the diagram. So here we can see the nuclear membrane is disappearing and the chromatids have duplicated. Centrioles have moved to the opposite poles. That means it is prophase. Which phase? Prophase of animal cell. Now let us see the questions. Identify the stage. So answer is prophase. Reasons as already given. Chromatids, your chromosomes, chromatids, duplicated, nuclear membrane disappeared, nucleolus disappeared. So any of the reasons you can give. Now the second question is, draw a neat label diagram for the cell as it would appear in the next stage. Name the stage. Now let us draw the diagram of metaphase. We know the characteristic it is that the chromosomes are arranged in the equatorial plane in the case of metaphase. So let us draw the chromosomes, then we'll draw the cell membrane, the two centrioles in the opposite poles, like this, with the aster rays radiating out. And now we are going to draw the spindle fibers that have originated from these centrioles. Now this is which stage? It is metaphase. And during metaphase, this chromosome can be best studied. The structure of chromosome can be best studied. Now, next question is, in what two ways is mitotic division in animal cell different from mitotic division in plant cell? In animal cell, there is aster ray formation because of the presence of centrioles. Whereas in the case of plant cell, no aster rays are formed. No aster rays. In case of animal cell, cytokinesis takes place by furrow formation or cleavage formation. And in case of plant cell, cytokinesis takes place by cell plate formation. So these are the two reasons by which the animal cell mitotic division is different from the plant cell mitotic division. Now the fourth question is, name the type of cell division that occurs during the growth of shoot. Now the growth of shoot happens in the somatic cells. So this is mitosis, which is an equational division that leads to the formation of identical cell, that is 2n will give rise to daughter cells with 2n number of chromosomes. Formation of pollen grains. So it is happening in the germ cell or the reproductive cells. That means meiosis or meiosis will take place. There is reduction in the number of chromosomes. Now let us see the answers for this. The first answer was the stage which it is. It is prophase. Chromosomes have duplicated as paired chromatids connected by centromere. Centrosomes split into centrioles are moving to the opposite poles, nuclear membrane and nucleolus disappearing. And the next stage will be metaphase. Diagram is shown as I had already told you. Equatorial plane, The chromosomes are laying in the equatorial plane, and the centrioles are radiating spindle fibers to which they are attached through the centromere. The two differences between the mitotic division in animal cell and plant cell: aster rays are formed in case of animal cell because of the presence of centriole, whereas in case of plant cell, aster rays are not formed. Cytokinesis by furrow formation in cytoplasm in case of animal cell. Cytokinesis by cell plate formation in case of plant cell. Now the type of division, like in the case of roots, it was mitosis because it was happening in the somatic cells, and meiosis because it was happening in the germ cells. So with this, we are ending the PYQ of 2016. In the next discussion, we are going to take the PYQs of 2017. So do like and subscribe my channel, and do hit the notification button to get the latest update of the video uploaded.